going to begin with Flint, Michigan, front and center right now in Washington, D.C. A congressional hearing is happening now, and lawmakers are hearing testimony from key players in the city's water crisis. Let's go live to the newsroom and 7 Action News reporter Dave Llewellyn. Dave.
Joanne, this hearing has been informative, educational, political, and at times explosive as lawmakers from both parties asked questions of the panel that traveled to Capitol Hill. Governor Snyder was not asked to be there by the committee chair. He's here in the state today. Detroit Public Schools Emergency Manager Darnell Early, who formerly served as the governor's appointed EM in Flint, refused to testify, and that led to this demand at the start of the hearing.
Most of the people that appear before the committee, we do not need to compel them to attend. Participation, though, before this committee is not optional. We're calling on the U.S. Marshals to hunt him down and give him that subpoena.
Why does EPA have this problem?
You would have to ask them why they refuse to do the job they're paid to do.
Do you believe they're violating the law?
I believe that they're not enforcing the law, they're not enforcing their own policies, and they've created this environment in which basically anything goes.
And this has manifested itself very clearly in Flint?
Yes, most obviously in Flint, due to the unique circumstances, the miracle of outsiders, in spite of the system, showing that this problem occurred. Had it not been for people completely outside the system, those children in Flint would still be drinking that water to this day. That is a fact.
And I want to be real clear, and the chairman will bear me out on this. I have said I don't care whether it's EPA, whether it's local, whether it's state. I want everybody who is responsible for this fiasco to be held accountable. I'm not protecting anybody because that's not our job. We are the last line of defense, and if we don't do it, nobody's going to do it.
Plenty of blame to go around in this, of course, with the city, the state, and the EPA, the federal government. Keith Cray, the new head of the DEQ in Michigan, is representing the state at this hearing on Capitol Hill, which continues at this hour. We're live streaming the hearing right now on our website, WXYZ.com. Live in the newsroom, Dave Llewellyn, 7 Action News. Joanne?
Says it so well. What a fiasco it has been. Dave, thank you so much. I want to let you know that 7 Action News investigator Jim Kurtzner is the only Detroit television reporter in Washington, D.C. covering the hearing. He will have live reports for you today, starting later on 7 Action News.